This is Dave at SOM Trailer Sales, somtrailers.com. Just want to do a demo video on a new custom build for a customer out of Arkansas. A little bit different build, but this trailer has a lot of custom features on it and turned out beautiful. It's 35 foot on the floor, 8 wide, 8 tall. It's got a 16 foot short wall by Trail Boss Conversions. It's a 4-horse reverse load with a big back tack, and we'll take a trip around here and just kind of look at some of the features. It's got a hydraulic slide. This particular trailer has 10,000 pound tandem axles with electric over hydraulic brakes. Hydraulic slide, hydraulic jacks. This trailer's got a 10-foot slide on it. He went with the silver skin, which I really like. It's a very classy look and just different than everybody else's white trailer, I guess. It's got the integrated hay pod. All the slats and aluminum on these bloomers are polished. They shine real nice. 17.5-inch Alcoa wheels with Continental tires. Your manger doors. I really like the bloomer feed windows and doors. You've got a drop with a fixed bar. Those have sliders in them as well. Then you've also got a swing style feed door, which makes it really nice and convenient to access your horses when you're traveling. Put gas struts on these windows so they stay at a 90-degree angle when you open them up. This particular trailer has a 6.0 diesel generator on it as well. They opted to do a fold down ramp behind their tack room, which makes it really easy to access your stuff, get your saddles in and out. Bit of a different setup on this tack room as well. They did a kind of a split tack in there. With a split wall. So you got all their tack on one side and then just excess storage split up on the other side. These are real nice. The saddle pad bars are spring loaded as well. He's got some spare parts that are actually for the living quarter in the tack room there. We're going to do a poured worm floor in this trailer. It's going to go in the shop tomorrow and get a full pre-delivery inspection, and we're going to get the floor poured in it. Again, you got your drops on the rump side. The silver skin with the black fixtures looks really good. It pops really nice. We did an extra wide extended ramp on this load door here. Leaves a lot of room for the horses to get off. Look in the horse area of a bloomer. Really clean, really quiet horse area on the bloomer trailers. Real easy latches to manipulate. Spring loaded, slam latches. You got a lower divider with a high top on it. All the windows we use in the living quarters on a bloomer are these frameless windows. About the highest quality window you can get on a trailer. We'll take a peek in the living quarter here. We're inside this custom trailer now. Well, with the 8 tall and the drop neck bloomer puts on them, you got a really spacious head area. They opted for the blackout shades in here. Trailer's got TVs and satellite on it as well. Your breaker box and fuses are down there. We do keyless entry on these trailers on the tack and the living quarter doors as well. Hydraulic slide out. We've got holding tank heaters on black tanks, gray tanks, fresh tanks. He's got an extra 60-gallon water tank in the hay pod with a tank heater on it as well. It's got the tankless hot water heater, my Suburban there as well. Like I said, this is a fairly non-traditional layout for most trailers, but was exactly what these customers wanted. Got this coffered ceiling here with some tin up there. Basically the whole kitchen is in a slide. Micro convection oven. He's got a dishwasher there in this trailer. Recessed cooktop under that panel there. Lots of closet and cabinet storage up here. I just fired up the generator. Beautiful cabinets made in-house by Trail Boss. Lots of pantry storage in here. We got a double pull hanging closet here. It's got the power leather recliners. They've opted for a hideaway pop-up television in here. You got satellite, stereo. Copper sink. There's a look in your dishwasher. Trailer's got 2 air conditioners, 50 amp service. They also went with an upgraded 8.0 fridge, a little bit more space than the standard 6.0. Again, lots of closets and cabinets back here. They did a custom shower stall in here, all solid surface walls and seats. You got your hamper here. All carpeted shelving in there for the linen closet. Another big hanging closet back here. And we've got all these pull-outs as well. Lots of beautiful detail in this trailer. Got the upgraded slide trim kit. If you guys are in the market for any kind of custom trailer or custom design, this is what we specialize in. Again, this is Dave, 314-498-9891, or you can check us out on the website, somtrailers.com. Thanks for looking, guys.